Well, I'm 2 weeks into the YouTube relaunch. What's happening? Am I making money? Let's talk. If you're starting from zero and wondering if it's even really possible, well, I'm right there with you. Hey, I'm Jeffery Curtis. Spent 14 plus years in public education, but burnout and health problems pushed me to leave. Now I'm rebuilding my life online with content, faith, and transparency. And this content is where I share the full journey. So let's go online and check it out. All right, so let's start right here. This is the transformation channel, and we've seen an uptick a little bit there. 6 subscribers, watch time 23 hours, and views 398. And what's doing good? Something went up there. It was still Rise versus Beyond Brew is still the best one. Audience, we're looking at mostly new viewers. And if we look at the dashboard, the newest video that I put up, 5 of 10, only 8 views, but I am up to 95, and that's subscribers organically, so that's pretty cool. Next one is Jeffery Curtis Music, and this thing flatlined. That's not very good. Well, it's different. There it is. Video. Okay, so that's not so bad. And then my shorts is what flatlined. I haven't done anything. Oh, there was a little bit of live right there because I do the online gaming sometimes, and so that's where that is. And then the best one's ranking 9 out of 10. That's a little bit better. And my first time playing Fortnite is actually getting is at the top of the list there. And top videos, still the air conditioner video. Isn't that amazing? All right, last one is the new channel that I just reformatted today, and so we have looks like 26 views in 28 days. That's not very good. It went up for a second, and it's about to post some other stuff. It's historically, this is the channel that has always done the worst, and there's no thing live. All right. On X, you don't get to look at that stuff for monetizing unless you pay $7 a month, so no reports there, right? I uploaded my very first TikTok video. It's right here, and I'm not sure how to look at the stuff on that yet. I have to figure that out. Let's see if there's anything that says analytics. Get coins, maybe that's it, huh? And there's dark mode, settings, feedback, help, log. Let's see what get coins does. Nope, that's coins for TikTok. That's not it. So I'm not exactly sure how the monetization works on TikTok. If you know, comment below. Comment below if you know. Creator tools. So that was my very first video. View analytics, look at there. So of course there's nothing because it's 0 all the way across because I just posted my very first thing today. So that's interesting. Insta, the last thing I posted 2 days ago, 121 views and 8 on this morning so far. Meta, you know, I am still unsure how to really. I got lots of comments, but they're all from Instagram. One from, but I'm not really sure how to tell how much you got. Again, if you know how to look this up, comment below. Here's the learning lab that I'm going to be selling my stuff on. You can always go down here to the bottom and get to Why is that? Oh, this needs to be refreshed. This should say something else there. And it's there it goes. Yeah, that's better. So YouTube, sites, Twitter, TikTok, Insta, Facebook, X, they're all there. All right, if you want to get a hold of me, that's bywordproductions.com/pulse, which I'm not doing the pulse anymore. Let's be clear, I haven't made a dime from YouTube yet, but I guess I didn't really expect to, at least not yet. This is the foundational stages of the rebrand. I'm documenting from the very bottom so others know what this really looks like. So what's working so far? Focusing on each channel, having a little bit of history, knowing what I'm doing a little bit, that is making things a little bit easier. I created a schedule so I can try to post consistently. We'll see how much that helps. Repurposing the videos, at least the shorts, across TikTok, X, Facebook, and Insta. I have high expectations for the latest short, for why I quit teaching. What's not working yet? Well, I'm still not monetized. I'm still building to the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. I haven't earned from affiliates of products yet. This is slow, but it's real. So on this channel, we're looking to post weekly shorts on Wednesdays and long forms on Tuesdays. And you might have noticed we rebranded for a third time on this channel. And now it's Teacher to Creator. We're building out our digital products, not just videos. I am about to put out a product that's on Google Sheets for the Transformation channel. I'm also going to be working on an online course that is off my book, How to Run Sound. We'll let you know how that works. Transparency in every update, the wins and the losses. If you're burned out and starting over, or wondering if it's too late, let me show you it's not. Follow this journey, ask questions, comment below. I'll share everything and you can see what works and what doesn't, and maybe even do it better. Hit subscribe, drop a comment. If you're building something too, I want to hear from you.